Ford's adjustable pit setter provides flexibility to change the pit height when the final grade is unknown or likely to change. The inner ring is permanently fastened to the pit tile, while the outer ring, with interlocking ridges, allows the pit to be set to the desired height in 3-inch increments. It's available in many configurations or as a retrofit kit for any Ford 18-inch coil pit or pit setter. Before any installation, refer to the instructions packaged with your Ford product. Make sure enough of the pit tile's outside surface is free from dirt and that the tile isn't out of round or damaged. Slide the split inner ring over the tile until the lip of the inner ring is fully resting on top of the tile. The inner ring is intentionally split to allow a snug fit around an existing pit tile. Locate the 2 dimples closest to one edge of the split in the inner ring. While holding the split ring in place, drill a 3/16-inch hole through each dimple at the top and bottom of the ring. Use a blind rivet in each hole to secure the ring to the tile. Proceed along the same side, moving away from the split in the ring. Use the same drilling and riveting process with the next set of upper and lower dimples. Be sure to keep a snug fit against the pit tile, drilling holes and placing rivets through all the dimpled indentations in sequence all the way around the tile until the inner ring is fully secured. Place the outer ring over the inner ring, with the ribs aligned away from each other, so the outer ring will slide down to the desired rib height. When the selected height is achieved, rotate the outer ring counterclockwise to the locked position. To change the height, rotate the outer ring 90 degrees clockwise to the unlocked position. Then lower or raise the ring. Rotate the ring back counterclockwise to the locked position to secure the ring in place. The retrofit assembly is now complete. The adjustable pit setter extension from Ford Meterbox is the solution for extending your pit setter to the depth you need.